Hello students, welcome to online video session. Today we'll study about chapter number 6, that is weather and climate. In this part 1 video, we will study about the weather, climate and the factors affecting the weather and climate, and also about the heat zones and about atmospheric pressure. So starting with weather. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere at a given place of time with respect to the elements of weather such as temperature, atmospheric pressure, humidity, rainfall, cloudiness, wind speed and wind direction. All these elements varies from place to place and time to time. Now, climate is the average weather condition over a large area for a long period of time. That is, average weather conditions of 30 years are regarded as the climate of region. The weather and climate of a place are modified by various factors. Let us discuss the factors determining the weather and climate in detail. Starting with the latitude. Latitude of a place determines the amount of sunlight received in that place. Equator receives the direct rays of the sun. That is, the place located in and around the equator receive the direct rays of the sun. Thus, it is hot throughout the year. The polar region receives the slanting rays of the sun, which is spread over a large area. Thus, these regions experiences cold weather throughout the year. Example, Madurai in Tamil Nadu is hotter compared to Moscow in Russia. Next is altitude. The weather and climate of a place are modified by altitude. Altitude means the height of a place from the reference level, that is above the sea level. The higher the altitude, the lower the temperature. This is because at higher altitudes the atmosphere is thin and absorb less heat. For example, Ooty and Kodaikanal are cooler than Tiruchirappalli. Next is distance from the sea. Land and water absorb heat from the sunlight. Water absorbs heat very slowly and remains it for a long time. The coastal areas are neither too hot and nor too cold throughout the year. This type of weather conditions is known as equable climate or maritime climate. Land absorbs heat faster as compared to water and cools down faster too. This means that the land will be warmer compared to water during the day. Thus, the interior parts of the continent experience high temperature during the day and low temperature during the night. These regions are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. This type of weather condition known as extreme climate or continental climate. For example, Thiruvananthapuram experiences equable climate while Delhi experiences continental climate. The next is ocean currents. Ocean currents are a stream of water flowing in the ocean. There are two types of ocean currents, warm and cold current. The current having its origin from the equator is a warm current, and the current having its origin from poles is a cold current. Ocean currents distribute the temperature from warmer region to colder region. Warm current are shown in the map with red color arrow and cold current with blue color arrows. Now, direction of prevailing winds. Winds blowing from the water bodies carries moisture in it. Moisture-laden winds bring rainfall. The winds blowing from land carry a little moisture. This results in the dry weather conditions. Winds influence the climate and weather too. Now, let's study about the temperature. Weather elements determine the weather and climate of a place. Temperature is defined as the degree of hotness or coldness of a substance. The amount of solar radiation received by the earth is the incoming solar radiation or insolation. Now let's have a look at the heat zones of the world. Temperature decreases from equators to poles. The earth is divided into three heat zones. First is called the torrid zone. Torrid zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north and the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, which receives the direct rays of the sun throughout the year, thus hotter than the other zone. The second is the temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degrees north and Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north in the northern hemisphere, and in between the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south and the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south in the southern hemisphere. Hence, experience low temperature compared to torrid zone. The third is frigid zone. This zone is lie between Arctic Circle 66.5 degrees north and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south and South Pole in the southern hemisphere. This zone is the coldest part of the earth with 6 months of daylight and 6 months of night. Next is the atmospheric pressure. Weather and climate of a place is also defined by the weather element, that is atmospheric pressure. The force of air per unit area exerted against the surface by the vertical column of air is known as the atmospheric pressure. You can see the diagram which makes you more clear about the atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is high at sea level and decreases with altitude. At sea level, the weight of the air pressing down on you will be 1013 millibars. So that's all about the weather, climate and the factors affecting on the weather and climate, the heat zones and the atmospheric pressure. In our part 2 video, we will be discussing about the pressure belts. Thank you.